Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the T-Force Cardea Zero Z440, which is an M.2 NVMe PCIe Gen 4 drive from TeamGroup. The drive uses 3D NAND and is available in both 1 and 2 terabyte capacities. It offers read speeds of up to 5,000 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 4,400 megabytes per second. Looking at the SSD itself, we've got a very thin layer, less than 1mm, of graphene copper foil. And this helps keep the SSD cool due to its excellent heat dissipating properties. And for your peace of mind, the drive comes with a 5-year warranty. So I think you'll agree it's a good looking drive and it does have some impressive specs. So let's go ahead and we'll get it installed in my system and see if we can get the advertised speeds. Okay, so the results are in and our drive is pretty much doing what TeamGroup said it would. So our read speed is just a little bit shy of the 5,000 megabytes per second, but our write speed is just a little bit above the advertised 4,400 megabytes per second. So all I really wanted to do today was give you a first look at this drive and check it was running at the advertised speed, which it is. So I'm fairly impressed with things so far. I have got a build all lined up for this drive, so you will see it in one of my full step-by-step PC build guides very shortly. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.